Hey there, my fellow Loco Airstreamers. It is the summer of 2023. Welcome to the Loco Airstreamer. Hey, it's been a while, I know. And if you go to my other YouTube channel, Texas Flycaster, you're going to know a lot more about where I've been these last, the last year. So, catching back up back here in Denton, Texas, and we're going to start small like we always do. We got no cute girls, sorry. You can click off if you're looking for, a little cheesecake. But this is about the Marinco. We're taking this one kind of system at a time. We're going electrical first because it's 100 outside, probably about 110 in here right now. You can tell I'm sweating like a dog. So, or Texas dog anyway. So I went with Marinco, and it's a well-known brand, very popular. And I go, since it's an Airstream, and we gotta have the best, I went ahead and went with a stainless steel. This is the external 30 amp for a 1970 Safari 23 footer. So 30 amp. And we're going to go, what I've had to deliberate on is where exactly to put it along the wall, because I want it to be as close to my power center as possible. We're going to get into the power center. We're going to get into all the lithium battery, the solar power that I have, all that in the electrical side. It's daunting, people. It's daunting, okay? But anyway, this is where we start. What I decided was to get as close to the power center as I could and avoid running a 110 volt wire underneath the shower, over the wheel well, single axle, and behind and from the back, because they make 30 amp extension cords in variable lengths. So get you a 50 footer and put it up further if you need to. I understand having all your hookups in the back and how convenient it is, but to have everything in one place. But I want my power to go right to the source, be as close as possible and as short as possible inside the trailer when I'm running 110 30 amp. There it is. Really simple, great instructions by Marinco. I'll send you, there'll be a link in the bottom to this on Amazon. And click on that and check it out. We're going to go outside here in a minute, take a look in this sweltering, stupid heat. It's Loco heat is what it is. It's not even stupid, it's Loco. And then we're going to take a look at the placement, drill a hole, and go ahead and mount it. The other thing you're going to need that it doesn't come with, screws, okay? It's got the gasket, rubber gasket. Don't goop it up. But you will need screws. Run your stainless screws. This is stainless. I'm pretty sure it's stainless, maybe chrome plated steel. But go with stainless, and that way, and make sure that you remember that anytime aluminum and stainless get together, or steel and stainless, or aluminum and steel, that's an electrical charge. You're going to get some oxidization and eventually some corrosion, so we've got to be careful. There's the back side of this. Here's the way it hooks up right there. And then this goes right over the top. This will be on the inside of the trailer, and this goes over the top to cover it. And you are on your way to running your 30 amp 120 to your power center, where it starts getting divided off and going off into other places in the trailer. I don't have very many other 110 spots in the trailer so far. It's all wired, it's all behind the walls now, and it is, I think what we got a refrigerator, we got some independent lighting and power plugs around, all the way around, and we have, something else on this side, I'm sure, that's 110, and there's not a whole lot of 110 in the trailer, really. In this one, I'm not sucking the juice off the planet here. I'm just simply trying to get by in a metal tent kind of thing, And the reason I'm sticking and going after 15 years on this trailer, I see the light at the end of the tunnel now that my Texas Flycaster website and YouTube channel are going so well. This is going to be the new home for Texas Flycaster. And we're going to get on the road, and we're going to go down the road, and I hope to meet you people out there. So let's go take a look at the spot and the drilling of the hole for the Marinco 30 amp find the high-end 30 amp, 125 volt, easy lock, and get her done. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take for granted that you've already looked inside your trailer and made sure that you're not drilling into anything. It's kind of logic, you know, don't be loco on me. Don't go loco. So I've kind of got an idea. What I want to do is, wow, stand out here in the hot sun and drill a hole right down there for my 30 amp inlet. Now, here's a couple of keys to what we're doing here. Number one, 2 3/4 hole saw. Number two, variable speed. You want a variable speed drill so you can slow it way down. What happens when your drill bit, there's your pilot, there's your actual hole saw, goes through, is it grabs that insulation and wants to twist it and suck it all out the hole. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go slow. We're gonna reach in there, make sure there's no wires. We're not just gonna go pushing through with it like that, because you might hit wires and you'll definitely suck in a lot of insulation and twist it around. So that's what we're gonna do, you know. Luckily, I have a wonderful wife who makes beautiful patches. So in case you haven't seen that video, check it out. She knows how to make a patch. And hopefully we won't need one. So 2 3/4 hole saw. Very variable, very slow drill. One layer at a time. Clear the hole, make sure there's no wires in there, and keep on keeping on. I'll tell you what, guys, there's another thing you can do, and that is make sure that you reach around. Let me just turn the camera this way. We're gonna get started on this hole. What you can do is reach around, tap on the hole. Make sure nothing taps back at you. There's no live creatures in there. No, I'm just kidding. Make sure that it feels soft and not like a hard spot. You can see through I always, you know, if you see vertical rivets, never drill on those rivets, people. That line going up is where that one piece goes up and over. That's part of the structural monocoque. And if you hit that, you really wasted a bunch of your trailer's beauty. So, all right, let's turn around. Let's get her going. We're gonna try to go one layer at a time, nice and slow, and see what happens. See what I mean? That's what happens. That's why you got to be careful. There we go. That's how much it took out. All right, guys. So now we've cleared the area on the trailer where the insulation is, and we're going to go through the second wall, the inside wall now, as cleanly as we can without catching any of this insulation. There we go. Hi guys, we are in. That's it. That's how you do the install on the outside of the Marinco 30 amp plug. And you need to know that the reason you can install this in any area of your trailer is because they make the 30 amp. It's because they make the 30 amp extension cords in multiple lengths all the way up to 100 feet. Now you're going to have a loss over that kind of length, but you don't need, on a 23-foot trailer, more than 50 feet to get to any of your plug-ins at your local or distant fly destinations. Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome back to the Loco Airstreamer. Be sure you check out the Texas Flycaster site. I almost forgot what it was. It's so hot. And like and subscribe here. Help me bring this channel up to speed by asking questions. What more do you want to know? Thanks for watching.